Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Discord is not opening on your window. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to completely close or end the process of Discord in the task manager. So in the Windows search bar right here, type task manager, click on that. Now the task manager window will be up. Simply maximize this, then we need to look for Discord in the list of processes right here. Now once you find that, just make a right click and then select End Task. And then close the Task Manager window and also click on the Show Hidden Icons. And if you can find Discord right here, you can also close that from here. Now once done, simply open the Discord application and see it will launch this time. So let's just wait for this to start. And once this started, then you can now simply enter your credentials. Now I won't just enter my credentials as I have shown you on how you can launch and open it. So in your case, you just need to simply enter your credentials right here and then enjoy the Discord app. For the next method is we also need to clear the Discord's app data. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Then here you need to type percentage app data percentage and you have to click on OK. Now simply look for the Discord folder, this one, make a right click and then select delete. Now we need to close Discord from here. Now once done, try to launch Discord this time. Then we can also run the application as an administrator. Now most of the times running the application as an administrator, this will open the app. So make a right click at the Discord desktop icon, select run as administrator. So as you can see, this will launch and open the application. Then here you can just simply sign in to enjoy the Discord app. Then we also need to make sure that our graphics card driver is not outdated. So right click at the start button. In the list of options, select device manager. Here in the device manager window, we need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Just simply make a right click and then select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, so simply close the remaining windows. Then we can also disable antivirus temporarily because most of the time or sometimes the antivirus of our Windows or if we have installed third-party antivirus softwares, this can block the application from launching. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, just simply temporarily disable that. Click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. So as you can see, I'm using the Malwarebytes. Just make a right click and then select Quit Malwarebytes and click on the Windows security icon. Then click on the virus and threat protection. Then you'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Then you need to turn off the real-time protection, and after you have turned off the real-time protection, launch the Discord app. And if it is launching this time, then you need to go back to the same Windows security window and then enable it from here because this is a very important security for your Windows. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So aside from this will check for updates, this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once this is done, just simply make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And then we can also reset the network settings using some commands. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, just follow me for the commands. NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit Enter. Next command. NATSH space INT space IP space reset. Hit Enter. Next command. IP config space / release. Hit Enter. IP config space / renew. Hit Enter. And for the last command is we need to flush the DNS. So type here IP config space / flush DNS. Hit Enter. I think I've typed it wrong. So let me just this one. Okay, so pardon for that. Let me do it again. So let's bring up again the CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. And again, I'm going to run the command. Sorry for that. It's NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit Enter. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video, all of these commands. NATSH space INT space IP space reset. Hit Enter. Next command, IP config space / release. Hit Enter. IP config space / renew. Hit Enter. And for the last command, IP config, this is what I have typed wrong earlier, / flush DNS. It's flush DNS. Hit Enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Type exit. Hit Enter. And then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Discord app. And if the issue still persists, then we can reinstall the application. So in the Windows search bar, type app wiz.cpl, control panel item, click on that. Search for Discord right here. Click on it. Select uninstall. Once uninstalled, then we need to reinstall it again. So simply bring up any of your favorite browser. I'm going to open the Edge browser. Now type in the search bar Discord download. Hit Enter. Now you'll find the first option, which is the official website of Discord, discord.com. Download Discord to talk, chat, and hang out. Click on that. And simply download for Windows. The button download for Windows. So this is for Windows 10, 11, and higher. Now let's just wait for this. And once done, click on it and close the Edge browser. And this will reinstall Discord, so let's just wait for this. So from here, you just need to sign in with your email and then your password. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing on how you can open Discord on your Windows, then please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.